इतना टाइम क्यों लगा? What took you so long?
What took you so long?
तुम ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हो? How can you do this?
How can you do this?
उसने मुझे बेवकूफ बनाया है. He has fooled me.
He has fooled me.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता चाहे दिन हो या रात. It doesn't matter whether it is day or night.
It doesn't matter whether it is day or night.
तुमने मुझे बहुत देर इंतजार करवाया. You kept me waiting for a long time.
You kept me waiting for a long time.
सुबह का समय था. It was morning.
It was morning.
ये मेरे लिए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. It's not a big deal for me.
It's not a big deal for me.
मुझसे झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie to me.
Don't lie to me.
मैंने इस साल शायद ही कोई छुट्टी ली है. I have hardly taken a leave this year.
I have hardly taken a leave this year.
और बताओ. Tell me more.
Tell me more.
बहरे हो क्या? Are you deaf?
Are you deaf?
तेरा इन पैसों से कभी भला नहीं होगा देख लेना. You'll never prosper with this money, mark my words.
You'll never prosper with this money, mark my words.
वो मेरे पीछे पीछे फिर रहा है. He is running after me.
He is running after me.
मैं इसका क्या करूं? What should I do with it?
What should I do with it?
तुम्हें सिगरेट पीना किसने सिखाया? Who taught you to smoke?
Who taught you to smoke?
क्या कल छुट्टी थी? Was it holiday yesterday?
Was it holiday yesterday?
आपको पता है कल क्या हुआ? You know what happened yesterday?
You know what happened yesterday?
हम लोगों की वजह से वो भी मुसीबत में आ गई. Because of us even she got in trouble.
Because of us even she got in trouble.
आप इतने गंभीर क्यों हो? Why are you so serious?
Why are you so serious?
ऊपर जाओ और देखो तुम्हारी बीवी क्या कर रही है. Go upstairs and see what your wife is doing.
Go upstairs and see what your wife is doing.
रोने की हिम्मत भी मत करना. Don't dare to cry.
Don't dare to cry.
मैंने किताब को उल्टा रख दिया. I kept the book upside down.
I kept the book upside down.
कुछ भी हो सकता है. Anything could happen.
Anything could happen.
तुम्हें इससे क्या मिलेगा? What will you gain out of this?
What will you gain out of this?
तुम यहाँ रुको जब तक वो वापस नहीं आता. You wait here until he comes back.
You wait here until he comes back.
हम जो कर सकते थे कर दिया. We've done the best we could.
We've done the best we could.
वो किसी भी वक्त आती होगी. She might be back any moment now.
She might be back any moment now.
वो भी बहुत परेशान होंगे. He must also be very worried.
He must also be very worried.
मुझे धमकी मत दो. Don't threaten me.
Don't threaten me.
हो सके तो मुझे भूला देना. If possible, forget me.
If possible, forget me.
ऐसा है क्या? Is that so?
Is that so?
अपना गुस्सा मुझ पर मत निकालो. Don't take out your anger on me.
Don't take out your anger on me.
दवाई समझकर खा लो. Eat it as if it were medicine.
Eat it as if it were medicine.
कैसे आना हुआ? What brings you here?
What brings you here?
उसकी बातों का बुरा मत मानना. Don't feel bad about his words.
Don't feel bad about his words.
मैं यहाँ जनवरी 2010 से हूँ. I have been here since January 2010.
I have been here since January 2010.
अचानक तेरे पर निकल आए. Suddenly you have wings.
Suddenly you have wings.
हम तुम्हारे साथ घूमने जाएंगे. We will go for a walk with you.
We will go for a walk with you.
मुद्दे की बात पे और बता करना क्या है? Come to the point and tell me what to do.
Come to the point and tell me what to do.
यह बात करने का तरीका नहीं है. This is not the way to talk.
This is not the way to talk.
मैं तुम्हें यह मंडे को वापस कर दूंगा. I will return it to you on Monday.
I will return it to you on Monday.
अगर उसकी जॉब छूट गई तो तब क्या होगा? What if he lost his job? What would happen then?
What if he lost his job? What would happen then?
लगे रहो. Carry on.
Carry on.
जाओ अपने आप देख लो. Go see for yourself.
Go see for yourself.
वो वही करेगा जो मैं उसे कहूँगा. He'll do whatever I tell him.
He'll do whatever I tell him.
तुम एक ही पूरी के चक्कर करते हो. You are chips of the same block.
You are chips of the same block.
तुमसे मतलब. None of your business.
None of your business.
मेरी एक शब्द कहने की भी हिम्मत नहीं हुई. I did not dare to say a word.
I did not dare to say a word.
उन्होंने पीटा तुम्हें? They beat you up.
They beat you up?
जब वो ऑफिस से वापस आया तो 2:30 बजे हो चुके थे. It was 2:30 p.m. when he came back from office.
It was 2:30 p.m. when he came back from office.